Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iMessage activation errors. Step-by-step solution, step-by-step clearly. First, check that your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection and try opening a web page. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh the network connection. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. Restart your iPhone by powering it off completely, waiting 20 seconds, and turning it back on. Go to Settings, tap Messages, turn iMessage off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it on again. Go to Settings, tap FaceTime, turn FaceTime off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it on again. In Settings, tap your Apple ID name, choose Sign Out, then sign in again with the correct Apple ID. Make sure your Apple ID password is correct by signing in at apple.com in a browser. Go to Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, and confirm cellular data is enabled for messages if you use mobile data. Go to Settings, tap Messages, tap Send and Receive, and ensure your phone number and email are selected correctly. If you see an awaiting activation message, wait up to 24 hours because activation can take time with some carriers. Check that you can send and receive SMS text messages because iMessage activation may require SMS. Go to Settings, tap Phone, and confirm your number is shown correctly under My Number. Update iOS by going to Settings, tapping General, tapping Software Update, and installing any available update. Check Apple's System Status page to confirm iMessage and Apple ID services are not experiencing an outage. Disable any VPN by going to Settings, tapping VPN, and turning it off temporarily. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data. Or if you are on cellular, try switching to Wi-Fi. Reset network settings by going to Settings, tapping General, tapping Transfer or Reset iPhone, tapping Reset, then Reset network settings. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Go back to Settings, tap Messages, and turn iMessage on again to test activation. Go back to Settings, tap FaceTime, and turn FaceTime on again to test activation. If activation still fails, remove and reinsert your SIM card, or try another SIM to rule out some issues. Contact your mobile carrier to confirm SMS short codes and international messaging are allowed for activation. Make sure you are not blocked from sending premium or activation SMS by your carrier account settings. If you recently changed phones, ensure the old device is signed out of iMessage to avoid number conflicts. On another Apple device, check that your Apple ID is signed in and that iMessage settings match your correct number and email. As a final device step, back up your iPhone and consider a full reset only if all other steps fail. If you still cannot activate, contact Apple support and provide the exact error message and your iOS version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.